Firecracker, and just want to give a little shout out to my friends at school that wanted me to sing the song that I wrote called Fell For You. I want to give a shout out to Jordan Grubb, Hannah Holt, Tiffany Jones, Chesty Feltz, and Tatten the Gamer, which is another YouTuber. He's like my best friend, so I give a shout out to him too. Yep. So I will be singing the song that I wrote. I thought I wrote for this new guy at my school named Tate, but I think I actually wrote it for someone else. Not gonna name here because people from school watch this, but whatever. And here we go. Falling for you, and I felt so hard that I can't fall no more. Can't get up off the floor. No, I barely know you. When I looked into your eyes, felt like I've known you my entire life. Normally, don't get nervous around guys I like. When I'm even near you, just passing by you, I get butterflies. I think I fell for you. I fell for you. Hope y'all like it. Remember, just another reminder, another shout out to Jordan Grubb, Hannah Holt, Tiffany Jones, Chesty Feltz, and Tatten the Gamer. And make sure you subscribe and check out my YouTube channel. See ya.